How did I get to know about the program? I met Marco at the European Chemistry Partnering Conference. He told me about the X-Linker program, and then I was really curious to find out more.
I was just expecting to meet a lot of cool people, to get into new topics, to meet people I wanted to meet, of course, and furthermore to be coached by people who are very experienced in these areas.
Our expectations for the program were to meet some of the corporates here, learn about their challenges, and also we were very excited for the mentoring sessions.
I wanted to bring my startup forward to the next level, and I thought to get to know the partners, other companies and also investors and stakeholders in that industry would be only beneficial.
The main benefit of the program were the mentoring sessions, where experienced people sit down with you and really take the time to understand your individual situation and then give you personal advice based on their experience.
I was responsible for business model, and the business model is always the center of the pitch. I was very curious how everybody will present his business model. First of all, I thought 2 hours are a long time to discuss, and time was flying. So I think that's already a very good feedback.
I really enjoyed the event, and I thought it was actually organized with a lot of professionalism and a lot of enthusiasm, and all of the startups had a lot of fun, and I think that took away quite a lot, and I'm quite excited about the pitch to more.
So there are many different stakeholders that are here today, from corporates to startups to people from clusters, so very positive, very open and very welcoming.
The overall impression is very positive, and also the whole setup with the possibility to network with the people, to have easy connections.
I found them very full of energy, optimism, and I was really blown over by the different types of business models that were presented by the startups.